Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to have a look at the meter block. I've been sent this meter block by the kind people at Meter, and I'm going to give it a review, give it a test, show you guys what it can do. I'm a big fan of Meter. I've been using it for a long time now. I've tested the Meter Plus, and they very kindly sent me a meter block to test. The thing with the meter block is it's got 4 probes here, so you can cook 4 different things. So today I'm going to have a go at cooking 4 different meat products on the barbecue. So I've got a ham, I've got a chicken, I've got a steak, and I've got a pork steak. Let's get going and see how we get on. The meter block, it's got this beautiful bamboo housing. It's got the main sort of control unit here, and it's got a charger point on the side here, so you can plug this into the mains for longer cooks. It's a really tidy bit of kit. So there's 4 probes here. They connect to the base unit via Bluetooth. The base unit then either connects to your Wi-Fi, and you can monitor it on your mobile device wherever you are, as long as you can get the internet on your mobile device, even in Australia, New Zealand, wherever. You can go from this, no problem. Or you can just use this as a standalone and it will monitor the temperatures from this directly. There's a couple of options there, whether you've got Wi-Fi or just standalone. Each meter probe has got a number on it. This is number 1, and this is going into the ham. Okay, so you push it up to that point there, same as with all the meter probes. This will record the temperature on the inside of this ham. I'm going to go for a little bit of cherry rub on here. My new CountryWoodSmoke cherry rub going on. Then that goes on the barbecue. Okay, so the ham's on to smoke. Let's get the meter set up. I'm going to go pork, ham, 63 degrees, start cook. There we go. And that'll give me estimated cook time. So we're at 10 degrees internal, 140 ambient. That's going to be good. So the next thing going on is a nice whole chicken. A little bit of oil in to help the rub to stick. And I'm going to go with a little bit of CountryWoodSmoke house rub on this one. It's perfect on chicken. A little bit in the cavity, bit of a bonus flavour. And then I'm going to go with meter probe number 2, deep into the thigh. Some people say to go into the breast, but I prefer in the thigh like that. And that go onto the barbecue. So the thighs towards the heat and the meter over there. I've popped a block of cherry on here for a bit of extra smoke for the win. Probe number 2, set up to cook. Poultry, whole chicken, 74 degrees, perfect, start cook. The last couple of bits I've got to cook here, because I've got the chicken on, I've got the ham on, they're getting there now, so they're almost up to temperature. I'm going to pop number 3 into this nice sirloin steak right in the middle. And I'm going to pop number 4 into one of these pork steaks into the middle. Make sure it goes right up into the middle. There we go. I'm going to go really simple on the beef steak, just a little bit of chipotle salt. Big fan of this chipotle salt, it's lovely and tasty. Got a nice subtle chili kick and good little smokiness, it adds extra to it. There we go. And I'm going to go for CountryWoodSmoke mocha rub. Just a light dusting of it, doesn't need a lot. The pork steaks, I'm going to be looking for about 63, and this sirloin I want quite nice and rare, so I'm going to be looking for about 50 on that. I'm going to pop the steak on and the pork chops over here. There we go. We should have them all finishing at about the same time. I'm going to set up 3 with the steak, beef, steak, nice and rare. Start cook. Okay, number 4 is the pork, chops, 63 degrees safe, which is the safe temperature for pork. Start that. Okay, we're doing good here. We can keep an eye on all of those 4 cooks as they go. and flip them as needed. Should be about 10 minutes left on all of this, and by the time it's all rested, should be good to go. And I think it's amazing that you can monitor 4 different things at the same time. So if you wanted 4 steaks cooked to different temperatures, so 1 rare, 1 medium rare, 1 medium and 1 well done, you could do that as well. This is a brilliant bit of kit. I'm really impressed with it so far and really happy. Okay, so it's saying 3 and 4, the steak and the pork steak removed from heat and rest. Those have cooked nice and quick. They haven't taken long at all. We're all looking good on here. All saying ready, resting. Chicken's just come off, so removed from heat, so that's still going up. I'm going to start working my way across and see how we've done. So steak, remove the meter. There we go. That looks perfect for me. Take this out. Pork chop should be lovely and cooked through and juicy. They look wonderful. Happy with that. Let's have a look and see how we did with this. Cut it in half. I'm going to cut some nice slices out of that. That ham looks amazing. Beautiful colour, cooked through. And this chicken, well, what can I say about that? Beautiful and crisp, cooked up through. Lovely. I'm going to have a taste of one of these wings. That cherry smoke has absolutely nailed this as well. Really impressive bit of kit. Great that I can cook 4 different things or 4 the same things but differently. There's lots you can do with this. Great job, Meter. Thanks for sending it for me to try. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, you know the drill. That box down there. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like what I do, please tell others. It's all appreciated. Take care.